Nature, in the broadest sense, is equivalent to the natural world, physical world, or material world. Nature refers to the phenomena of the physical world, and also to life in general. It ranges in scale from the subatomic to the cosmic. The term nature may refer to living plants and animals, geological processes, weather, and physics, such as matter and energy. The term is often refers to the natural environment or wilderness, wild animals, rocks, forest, beaches, and in general areas that have not been substantially altered by humans, or which persist despite human intervention. For example, manufactured objects and human interaction are generally not considered part of nature, unless qualified as, for example, human nature or the whole of nature. This more traditional concept of nature implies a distinction between natural and artificial elements of the earth, with the artificial as that which has been brought into being by a human consciousness or a human mind. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share if it is useful. Happy living.